continue our revision work from chapter 16, the Earth in the Solar System, from Geography. And today we'll be revising again the two topics, the importance of Sun and the stars also. So let's get started.
We'll continue revision of chapter 16, the Earth in the solar system, and our today's topic is the Sun. Children, have you ever imagined if there is no Sun, how different our life would be on Earth? Children, our life would change a lot. There would be no difference between day and night. There would be no sunshine to greet you in the morning. And that would definitely a very big change in our life. There will be complete darkness all around us. If there is no sunlight, there are no plants because these plants also need sunlight to prepare food. Without the sun, the entire earth would freeze. It will be very, very cold. No living beings survive in such cold temperature. So, there will be no life on earth. Without the sun, our earth would be dark and cold place with no life on it. So, sun is the head of the family. Sun is the head of the solar system. It is the biggest member in the solar family. All the planets and satellites revolve around the sun. It is the center of the whole solar system. The sun is made up of extremely hot gases and it gives a lot of heat and light, which is the source of all energy. In the solar system, our earth gets only a part of the energy. Without the sun's energy, our earth would become cold and lifeless. So, sun has its own importance. So, if there is no sun, there is no life, there is no sunlight. Now children, here we'll revise the importance of sun. Importance of sun, if we'll talk about the importance of sun, solar system means the family of the sun. This we have already discussed. For example, if we'll talk about your family, children, there is someone who is head of your family. He can be your father or your grandfather or your mama also sometimes. Same way, in the solar system, sun is the biggest member of the solar family. Means sun is the head of the family. The first point is the sun is the biggest member in the solar family. It is the center of the whole solar system. The sun is made up of hot gases. Hottest part of the sun is its center and these gases burn all the time. Next is it gives us heat and light. Means the rays of the sun provide the energy for every living thing on earth. Like plants make their own food with the help of sunlight. Without the sun's energy, our earth would become cold and lifeless. There will be complete darkness all around us. There would be no day and night if there is no sun, if there is no sunlight. It gives us heat and light also. It protects us from the harmful rays of the sun. So these are the all points of the importance of sun. Children, our today's homework is also based on the topic sun. All the fill-ups. So read it very carefully, revise it very carefully, all the points of the importance of sun. Like this way I can give you, the dash is the biggest member of the solar family. That is sun. The sun is the dash of the whole solar system. Answer? The dash is the sun is the center of the whole solar system. Like this way, I have to give you the fill-ups. All these fill-ups are based on the topic sun. So this is the points of importance of sun. So our next topic is stars. Children, these stars are self-luminous bodies. Means they have their own heat and light. Stars are made up of hot burning gases and they usually very big in size. But as they are very far away from us, they look small and tiny like little dots in the sky. Our sun is also a star. It looks bigger and brighter because compared to other stars, it is much nearer to our earth. So, the stars have their own heat and light. They give out light and they twinkle also. They are countless. Means the stars are numerous and they are stationary also. So, this is all about the stars. Our next two topics which we are going to revise are constellations and Saptarishi. Children, in the beginning of the video, you people have seen the pictures of 7 stars. That is the Saptarishi, and the patterns also. Patterns of stars. Groups of stars forming different patterns. That is the constellations. So, we'll talk about this. If you see the sky at night, children, you will find that some stars appear single and some others can be seen in groups. Means some are single and some are in groups. Those groups of stars forming a particular pattern, that is constellation. What is constellations? Group of stars forming a particular pattern, that is constellation. Second is the Saptarishi. Saptarishi is a group of 7 stars. That is called Saptarishi. The Saptarishi are regarded as very important because in ancient times, in old age, they used to guide the sailors at night. Means the first 2 stars of the Saptarishi always point to the pole star, which constantly shines on the North Pole. When one direction was found, means the one direction, the north direction was found, it was quite easy to know the other 3 directions also. So, this Saptarishi is very important because they used to guide the sailors at night. So, this is constellation. Constellations is the group of stars forming a particular patterns. And the Saptarishi. Saptarishi is a group of 7 stars. These 2 are the constellations and the Saptarishi. So children, today we have revised the sun, importance of sun also, stars and constellation and Saptarishi. In importance of sun, we have revised the 5 points in that. That is, the sun is the biggest member in the solar family. It is the center of the whole solar system. It is made up of hot gases. It gives us heat and light. It protects us from harmful rays of the sun. Even without the sun, the earth would become cold and lifeless. If we revise again the stars, stars are the luminous bodies, means they have their own heat and light. They are countless. They are made up of hot burning gases. They are stationary also. They give out light. Even they twinkle also. After that, the last 2 points we have revised, constellations and the Saptarishi. Constellations is the group of stars forming a particular pattern. Saptarishi is a group of 7 stars. So that's all for today, children. And the homework is also based on today's topics. Be careful. Watch the video very carefully. Stay fit and healthy. Bye-bye.